sure is. It doesn't seem like it's that zoomed in. 130 yards a long way. There's a lot of things in life. There we go.
Oh shit!
It's on fire!
I told you! God damn!
We gotta put a fire out here. We definitely.
God damn! Yeah, I know, right?
Good grief, I felt the concussion off of that.
Oh, I know, dude. It was like, boom, boom.
Actually, there's not a big fire.
Yeah. It'll probably put itself out.
Oh, half the car's over there.
I see half of it right there.
Where's the GoPro? Oh my gosh. Crashing away everywhere.
Oh my god.
Did the GoPro survive, Brandon? What? Did you survive? Yeah, I got one. That's awesome. Okay, we gotta put out the car.
It's just shocks and stuff. Oh my god, dude, that is so awesome. There's the hood right there.
It's coming back down. Dude, look at the grass, how the leaves are missing. That tree's gone.
I know, dude, that tree that you cut down is obliterated.
That is.
Oh, hurry, get the license plate.
So, was that a bad idea?
I got a mirror.
Was that a dang
Oh, dude, there's part of the car right here.
Oh my god. Oh, wow. Here's part of the car.
Mirror.
Here's the front and the
Found the
engine.
Speedo.
Oh my god.
Here's part wrapped around the
Oh my god.
the bumper. And the hood's up there. This is what happens when a car bomb goes off. Should we just let this burn?
Yeah, it'll put itself out.
Yeah, one good thing is
Hey, look, you got a tire and a muffler.
that was that we heard that tire going off. Yeah, you guys.
Oh my god.
Actually, the tires will explode.
I know. It'll be alright.
This was in the back seat.
That's the timing belt.
Yeah.
Here's the whole front panel.
Oh my god.
Glass here.
Dude, look up there. There's the other part of the
Look over there.
Where?
Right there.
What's over here?
That's like part of a seat frame.
Yeah.
Here's another part of it. That's the seat.
Seat.
Yeah.
It's now one with this tree.
My dad called me.
Did he?
What was that? Is everybody okay?
Hey, is everybody accounted for? Everybody have all their arms?
Alright, let me go get my car fixed.
Burn them all.
Here's the hole where it blew.
One of them already went.
That tire is starting getting ready to smoke, so you might do the
Which one is it?
the one on this. What is the passenger side and driver's side?
I don't know.
Okay, it's this side.
Hey, Brandon. You got another timing belt.
Oh yeah, there's two of them.
God, this was badass.
Did you guys feel that?
Yeah, dude.
No, I didn't do it.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. It was circling the tree up there.
It blew
CB shit.
that tree over that way.
There's a
bumper.
There's parts and beers and stuff up there.
Don't worry, guys. I was wearing my seatbelt.
Goodbye. My freaking hat off.
Yeah, I figured it would.
Can I
The concussion.
trouble you?